Welcome to Matri Academy. Let's begin the chapter 12, Organization of Genetic Material. Central dogma of molecular biology was proposed by Crick in 1958. Human genome consists of 70% unique DNA and 30% repetitive DNA. Repetitive DNA is further of two types: highly repetitive DNA present in greater than 10 to the power 5 copies per genome, and moderately repetitive DNA present in less than 10 to the power 5 copies per genome. Only about 1 to 0.5% of human DNA is coding or exon DNA. Genome refers to the total content of a DNA in a haploid cell. It is also denoted by C-value paradox. Message carrier in eukaryotic cystron is exon. Expressed genes have DNA-sensitive region. Their hypersensitive sites are single-stranded and are cleaved by DNase or nuclease S1. Then the histones. Histones are devoid of tryptophan. Histones are positively charged protein. H1 is lysine rich. H2A, H2B are slightly lysine rich, and H3 and H4 are arginine rich. H1 is easily separated from chromatin. Least conserved histone is H1. It forms the linker DNA. H3 and H4 histones are the most conserved in nature. H1 histone holds together the folded chromatin fiber of chromosome. H2A, H2B, H3 and H4 are highly conserved, involved in the structural organization of chromatin fibers. Histone H2A, H2B, H3 and H4 combines two molecules each to form an octamer round which the DNA is wrapped to generate the nucleosome organization. H1 acts as the linker molecule. Histone octamer forms the nucleosome core. NET 2014. Histone in eukaryotes are heteromers. ARSNet 2001. The histone gene lack introns. The histones are synthesized during the S phase when the DNA is being replicated, so that the newly synthesized DNA immediately become associated with histones. Non-histone proteins are sometimes referred as haltones. The satellite DNA consists of tandem repeats of short DNA sequences. IRI 2003 and CSIR December 2002 question. All the human introns begin with the dinucleotide GT and end with the dinucleotide AG. This is known as the GT-AG rule. Pseudogenes contain both introns and exons that represent inactive version of the currently active gene. Several of them lack introns and thus behave as mature transcript of mRNA and thus are known as processed pseudogenes. Chloroplast DNA constitute 2 to 14% of the total genome of any plant cell. Mitochondrial DNA is relatively large, more flexible, and capable of tolerating additions and deletions much more than chloroplastic DNA, and is thus highly conserved than chloroplast DNA and show very little variation among species. Satellite DNA sequences are not transcribed, that is containing heterochromatin. The C-value paradox refers to the haploid set of chromosome of any individual. IRI 2003. Har Gobind Khurana was involved in the synthesis of gene alanine suppressor tRNA. IRI 2003 question. Transposons were discovered by Barbara Mamsie Klingtonk in 1953 in Mage, and she got the Nobel Prize for this work in 1983. ICR-GRF 2000. Several discontinuous units of sequence are present in RNA which are spliced to give mRNA. These units are called exon. ICR-GRF 2000 question. The first split gene to be described by Camden et al. In 1977 was chicken ovalmin gene. In DNA of some organism, A is not equal to T and G is not equal to C. Such organisms have been shown to have single-stranded DNA. Question asked in IRI 2003. Kornberg in 1956 developed the techniques of in vitro synthesis of DNA. Okao gives the in vitro synthesis of RNA in 1956. The main function of rRNA is protein synthesis. ICR-GRF 99. Promiscuous DNA. The DNA segments that have migrated from one organelle into the other are known as promiscuous DNA. Two or more plasmids belonging to the same incompatibility group cannot reside in the same cell. It is believed that plasmids belonging to a single incompatibility group share the same mechanism of replication control. Genetic material in tobacco mosaic virus is single-stranded RNA. JRF 2003 question. Hooping genes were first observed in maize. Organisms having DNA but no chromosome is bacteria. The genome of virus contains either DNA or RNA as the genetic material. C-value paradox describe variations in DNA contained in haploid genome. The components of tobacco mosaic virus are protein and RNA. ICR-GRF 2004. A plasmid can self-replicate, integrate into the host genome and can express the gene in it. ICR-GRF 2003 question. A relaxed plasmid can have multiple copies of it per cells. Transposons are regarded as the biological mutagens. Most of the animal viruses contain double-stranded DNA, while most of the plant viruses contain single-stranded RNA. Question asked in ARS NET 2001. So these all are about the short notes of organization of genetic material. So let's tune to my channel. Always cooperate, like and subscribe. So I am definitely motivated to make some more videos. Okay, thank you and wait for my next quick revision chapter.